both Joe Holland and Francis Holland.
All right, Miss Holland, can I get
Yes,
you
sir.
to, hold on just one second.
Hold on,
There you
just
go.
hold on a minute. Hey, Jill. I've got the judge blanked out in my picture.
Well, I'm here, but I don't see Miss Holland anymore.
I don't see her any either.
Are you there?
Was she there?
She was
She
here.
was there.
She was here.
Okay, let me call her real quick.
Here. Okay.
Did you already call her once?
Here's a number.
She didn't like my looks.
Well,
She just called me.
I had her picture there a second ago till you showed up.
Well, I saw her and the notary there.
Yeah, I did too. I don't know.
So she was there.
She was, yeah, she was here.
Her connection.
More coffee.
Okay. Hey, Charlene. Okay. Yeah, this is Jill P.O.'s law firm. The judge is still here and Mr. Yost is still here, but she's for some reason left the waiting room. Okay. We saw you, but something happened. Okay. 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 If you'll just sit there, he went to get a cup of coffee. He'll be right back. Okay, because he didn't know when I could get a hold of you. So just stay tight, and if he doesn't see you, I'll call you right back.
Oh, there he is.
There he is. Let's see. Hang on.
Come in.
For a second.
Judge, do you see her now?
Not yet.
Yes.
Do you?
Yeah, I do.
She says she's in the waiting room.
Yes.
Okay, they're bringing her on.
Okay, they should be bringing you on this call. I don't like it. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Right.
She's in the waiting room.
She got back out again.
She's going in and out.
She went out again. I'm assuming she's having a real problem with her internet connection, I guess.
I'm going to tell her to move around in the room. See if that helps.
What?
Okay, y'all have a bad connection. You're going to have to move to where you're around in the room to where maybe you have a better connection. He keeps losing you.
From the Vietnamese. Yeah.
And the one,
I could tell that.
Try logging back.
Here.
and Larry now is fine. The deputy.
Oh, I saw those 3 people listed with the initials, and I thought, oh my goodness.
I was wondering if they were here, like how they all.
Yeah, that's his.
Oh, what a tangled web we weave.
Yeah. I couldn't remember that they were on the same day, but that's what
Wi-Fi.
it was.
Okay.
Sorry for that.
Judge, you going to the memorial this later today?
I'm planning on 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, let me explain to them what's going on. Hang on one second. They're at their financials advisor's office. They're using their Wi-Fi and it kicked them off and logging back in.
Did you hear that, Judge?
They're using whose Wi-Fi?
They're at their financial advisor's office, so they'll have a notary present and they have a time limit that they can use their Wi-Fi, so it kicked them off, so they're trying to log back on.
Ah. Well, I'm going to hold their financial advisor in contempt of court.
I'll make sure I tell him that for you. Are y'all back on, Shirley? Okay.
That's why I'm going to turn on a copy of the affidavit of assets. Because that's his little boy.
It had to be the man's wife, I guess.
I don't know. Yeah. Yeah.
But if he just found out he's not the father.
Charlene, are y'all there?
Yeah, 'cause they did DNA and everything.
Will he allow her to do it on her phone?
Make it kind of cold around the house.
Well, she's got to be able to
You have an
identify the
iPhone,
word.
huh, Charlene?
She has to be identified the
Hang
signature.
hang on, let me ask him. Hold on. Judge Brannick, will you allow her to participate on her phone? They evidently have a bad connection at her financial advisor's office.
I will if I can get video.
He will if he can have video, Charlene. You do? Okay. She's gonna try it that way, Judge Brannick, and she provides you some video.
That's great. As long as if she's got a good 5G signal, she can do it by phone. I normally don't allow phones because the audio or the visual are so bad and we have so many technical issues.
I knew that you didn't allow phones previously. That's why I had to ask. Okay, Charlene, can you get on your phone?
Yeah, we'll try it in a pinch and see if it works. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is all Mr. Yo's fault.
Her iPhone.
Okay, it says on her end, the hostess will let you in soon.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Okay, she's connecting the audio right now.
Okay, he's got to be able to see you, Charlene, too.
There she is.
I think he sees you. I'm not gonna hang up until this is over.
Okay.
Can you
You
see her,
are
Jay?
Charlene Holland?
Charlene,
Can you hear me, Miss Holland?
Charlene, turn your volume on your phone so he can hear you. Or he can't hear you. Join with audio.
I can see you, but I cannot hear you.
He cannot hear you.
You know, before things are
It's gonna be okay, Mr. Yos. We're gonna survive this.
It's okay. You just, if you can connect your audio where he can hear you, he can see you, but he can't hear you, and he has to be able to hear you. Can he hear her now?
No.
No, he cannot.
Ask the notary to call me at 409 on her device and put it
Hold on a
on
second.
speaker. 409
Yes, sir.
748
Yes, sir.
0247.
Okay. Charlene, have your notary call this phone number and speak to Judge Brannick so he knows that she's there. 409 748 0247. Okay, she says she has the computer back up, Judge Brannick. If the host will join her, we can try that again, but she did give the notary your phone number.
Okay, let's see if we can bring her up on the
On the
laptop,
desktop. Okay.
desktop or whatever she's on.
She says she's back on. Do you see her, Judge Brannick?
Not yet. It says it's connecting the audio,
They hear you.
but she's got her line muted. She needs to unmute the line that she's on the computer.
Unmute the line that you're on the computer, Charlene.
And
I got
then,
notary call him.
enable video.
Okay,
At
can you
the
hear me?
bottom left, enable video.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, there she is, Judge.
Okay, are you Charlene Harlan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you'll raise your right hand, please. I'm going to swear you in the estate of Francis V. Holland and the estate of Joe C. Holland Sr.
I am.
Okay.
He's gone. Oh,
They gotta go back and forth.
Okay, do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in these two causes shall be the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Okay, Ms. Holland, I'm going to hold up what purports to be the last will and testament of Joe C. Holland Sr. Do you recognize that as being his will?
I do.
And I'm going to go back to the signature page and ask you, is that his signature on that document?
That is my father's signature.
And after the date he made this will, which appears to have been on May 4th of 1999, did he ever change it or revoke it?
Not to my knowledge.
Okay, next I'm going to hold up what purports to be the last will and testament of Frances V. Holland. Do you recognize that as being her will?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to go back and ask you, is that her signature on that document?
That is my mom's signature.
After the date that she made this will on May 4th of 1999, did she ever change it or revoke it?
Not to my knowledge.
Okay, go right ahead, Mr. Yos.
okay, thank you, Your Honor. Okay, Ms. Holland, have you read the proof of death and other facts in your mother's estate and your father's estate?
Yes, sir.
Are they true? Are the facts in there true in every way?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the judge has already shown you your parents' wills, and you verified that that is their signature. In the event that you're named as the executrix of these two estates, will you true and correctly perform your duties as charged?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Your Honor, I have no further questions to ask. Just leave.
Okay, Ms. Holland, what you're going to do is you're going to sign the proof of death and other facts and your oath in both your mother's and father's estates before the notary public. She's going to notarize those documents. You'll return those to Mr. Yos. I'll sign the orders admitting both wills to probate and authorizing the county clerk to issue letters testamentary. Those letters are going to give you authority to deal with financial institutions, insurance companies, real estate title companies, and so forth. Please make sure that you cooperate with Mr. Yos in getting him a listing of the estate assets, because he has to file an inventory within 90 days. Normally, when people are in court in person, I provide them with the document that lists what their duties and responsibilities are, but so you'll have to consult with Mr. Yos and make sure you do everything you need to do to get everything marshaled and accounted for and the estate wound up. If there's anything y'all need, you let me know, but we'll get those signed as soon as you can get those back here. And I guess I'll let you go before you lose Wi-Fi service again.
All right, and I apologize. Thank you.
It's Mr. Yo's fault.
Yeah.
Once it's not mine.
Have a great rest of your week and take care
All
now.
right. Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Charlene.
Bye. Thank you, Jill. Thank you,
You're
Bill.
welcome. We'll be in touch.
Okay.